Poor baby. You scared of kitty? No, it's got nails. You know how to keep your distance from nails, I guess, huh? I can barely get you guys in the same video. Jeez.
She's peeking out. Oh,
Sadie's leaving.
Sadie.
Sadie's leaving, Olive. Gosh, you're black.
Well, that was the last meet.
No. She cannot be out yet. We need to know if she has parvo and all sorts of other stuff. Why are you jumpy? Sasha, come on. Oh, I scared her away. You scared? Well, that's a good thing. The kid doesn't have to worry about you then, right?
Yeah.
And there you are with your tongue hanging out. Olive's had enough too.
Yeah. Good girl. You did it.
You not excited about this whole thing?
Sadie could hear her meowing, so they were like sniffing each other under the door.
That's probably a good thing.
So cute.
Good job. Good first round.
Yeah.
Sasha, you don't even care. You just want something to munch on, right? Say, come on. Say it. Say it, pretty girl. Werewolf of Michigan out, right? And Sadie out. Although, knowing me, probably film more video because it's about to start storming out here. Well, it is storming out here. Nikes. Okay. I guess we'll end the video now. I'm sure everyone was worried about their favorite caveman dad. But don't worry. I was saved by this Oktoberfest. She didn't help at all. They saw everything. They saw everything. A tornado almost took me away. I don't think you would have done anything. She definitely wouldn't have. But it's okay. All that wind and all that storming, and now it's just a piddle. It's cool though. All right. Have a good evening. We'll let you know if we get blown out of Kansas. But we're not in Kansas, are we, Sadie? Look at, you all saw this morning about how she wants my beer? Or my coffee? Hey! Making me a liar? She does like my beer too. See? But you're not taking it, homie. You know what I just realized? You're doing a good job ignoring the thunder. Good girl. We're not throwing this out there, though. I don't like lightning fried pooches. Hey. Nope. Come here. Sadie. Knucklehead. Good girl. It doesn't have a squeak. It's an old one. We gotta throw it away. Get you some replacements. Aw. You guys miss her squeak too? I don't like it when she can't squeak it. Alright, we gotta go. The video is like 4.5 hours long. I know. And this could be pretty redundant. You gonna do it again? Good job. Sadie's back out.